Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can learn English in Duolingo app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, search for the Duolingo and update Duolingo app. Click on open and click on begin direct and click on this first option. Click on that option again. So now you can see different languages. For English speakers, English language is not available. So you must select another language for the app. And then you have an option of English on the top. Click on that option. Click on next again. Click on App Store. You can select different option. So it is up to you. So I'm going to make this video really simple so that everyone can. So you simply need to select the basic level of English. Click on next again. So click on next again. So here you need to select the first option. So it is up to you. So I'm going to make this video really simple. So because I do not understand this language, but I'm going to show you how you can learn English from this app. So that is the main purpose to show you. So once we are here, click on that option again because it is collecting some data and you need to select the first option and it is select the first one. Click on next. So I am going to select 3 minutes a day that I want to learn in the start. So it is up to you. You can select 10 minutes, 15 or 30. Click on next again. So click on that. It will take few seconds more. Okay. Click on the first option. And after that, you need to click on the next option again like this. Click on that option again. Click on that again. So now you can see that it is teaching me about the word of coffee and this is the coffee. Here you can see that it is now in English. So this is the easy process by which you can learn English on Duolingo. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.